Chase Online Chase Bank Login. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can log into Chase Bank Online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into Chase Bank Online, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go to chase.com, or you can go to chase.co.uk if you're from the UK. After you do that, tap on the sign in option located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then it will directly take you to your online banking sign in page, where all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your username that you use during your online banking. Then you have to make sure to enter your password that you logged in with. Then tap on the sign in button, and if your details are correct, you'll get successfully signed in. Now if you don't remember your password for some reason, you can also tap on the forgot username or password button. If you haven't activated online banking, tap on not enrolled now, sign up now option to activate your online banking, and that's all it takes to sign into your Chase Bank Online. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.